Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And in my previous video I have mentioned about the different types of thread bangles here, and it's a multicolor thread bangle and a complicated bangle and also fluorescent bangles, and I have discussed about the pricing details of those different types of bangles, and it is based on only the manual work done. And today in my channel I am going to explain how to do a simple silk thread bangle, and I have taken here a dark pink color thread and a simple plastic bangle here. First, for this we have to make 20 to 25 strings, and I'm going to teach you how to make the strings here now. See, now I have taken a book like thing, and you can take your notebook also. Here I have folding. See how I am folding it. You have to fold it tight. You can take more than 20 to 25 or 30 also. If you take more than 30, it will be very easy to finish the bangle. You have to do it tightly also. See viewers, here I have taken around 20 strings here. So now I am going to cut the joints. You have to cut it correctly. This I have taken a small amount of strings, and if you want you can take more than 35 also. You have to check the both ends, so it is, see, it is even, and I'm going to take the glue. If it is not even, you have to cut the ends. See, it is even, so I'm not going to cut the ends. Take the fabric glue. See, this is around only 15 rupees in the market. Wait until it dries. See, I have taken this plastic bangle, a single khada bangle. You can use it for your sari wear and salwars also. It will be very quite simple and beautiful. I have applied glue inside the bangle, and you have to place this string here inside this. Wait until it dries. See friends, and it got dried here inside, and I'm going to quite tie here. You have to hold it tightly, see, so that the string should not get any gap. See, after pasting this, you have to do it upside down, and you have to hold it tightly. You have to take your thumb finger here. That's all. This is for beginners. You can just try it for once or twice. Definitely you will get the perfect thread bangle. See how tight I am doing this. You have to hold it tightly. You have to please avoid spacing between the threads. See, if I do like this with a space, and there will be a gap here, and the shining will be lost. So you have to do it evenly. You have to hold it tight also. See here. Similarly, you have to finish the bangle, but careful with this gap also. See, I have done this fully, and you have to paste it inside to avoid the damage. And I'm pasting it inside. In future it won't be affected. You should not put it in water since we are applying glue. And likewise we can do this also, a pair of bangle for blue color. And thank you for watching this videos. And if you like the video, you can subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any comments, you can post to me. Thank you so much.